Mr. Choong kan,
Ya.
pagi first day you rasa excited tak bangun pagi ni nak datang ke BEM setelah sekian lama?
Ya, memang hari ini satu hari yang saya looking forward to lah. So memang excited for the new role that I'm coming into. Then also looking forward to work with a team of coaches and also the members of the players all together and together with the BM management as well. Yeah.
What are the things you're eager to do?
Things I'm eager to do. I think at this moment definitely is to get as much information as possible. Information regarding the players' conditions through the coaches, of course, and from there we look into details and on the macro side we will do the prioritization planning for all the players looking towards Tokyo 2020, of course, as a primary target, and then after that also secondary we will also work on the development program also for the younger players. Yeah.
Speaking about Tokyo 2020, next year around May dah start qualification. So is there any plan from you? You dah mungkin dah rangka plan dengan DM ke dengan coaches ke to make sure how many players to qualify to Tokyo 2020?
Actually, I think I believe this is an ongoing project since long time ago. Just I'm coming in as a continuity to the program and add some extra positive elements so that we can have a more solid planning and ultimately the results that we want. So definitely it is a combination of ideas between me coming in with existing planning. So at this point, of course, we have some planning, but it is still not finalized based on the modification or perhaps some improvise on the plan. So there's nothing too much that I can share at this point. Please pardon me on that. But definitely, the first one to know will be the team members, and then to be fair. So from there, of course, definitely we can share with everybody else.
Has Dato' Noza set the gold medal as your KPI yet?
It has been as per said, it has been always been our target, but nevertheless we will still assess the actual ability and situation at the moment, and so that we can align on the target.
Today you only met with Pang Che Chang and other coaches, Rosman Razak. Who were the coaches you met today?
I think I've met all of them basically because this morning I went to the track in the morning. In the morning in UM. I've met with all the men's singles department coaches, Dato' Mispun, Rawan, everyone, and also Dato' Tesilbok and Ronnie. So I met them 6 something this morning.
Busy day.
Yeah, I've been there. So now coming in here is my second round. Yes.
I mean, like Dato' Mispun used to train you. Now you're working with him.
Yeah.
How's the relationship?
Well, it's good because we understand each other well, and I believe most of the existing coaches I know them since a long time ago, and definitely it had good elements to. So I'm definitely looking forward to work together with them, and we can perhaps share our vision more closely, and we can work towards the same target.
Mr. Choong, just now you mentioned about the development. Is there any possibilities for 2019? BM will be serap few players from SSBG or players from under Kwan Chok Meng to the senior team?
That is always a continuous process of cultivating the young talent, and from the junior development program system. Definitely, that is part of the plan. Yeah. Definitely, you will see some of this inclusion of these new players in. That is for sure.
You mentioned you start earlier because of not enough time. This is the end of year, the tournament left is not that many. So what is your planning for them to for next year?
For preparation, there will never be enough time actually. So when we mentioned not enough time, because I think since there's a 2 months gap before we start January 2019, so that's why perhaps there's a reason why we bring forward the starting date of my of my role. So the reason also because we would like to formalize the planning for starting January, so things can get kickstart. I have a good kickstart in January, so that's why coming in now is to understand and get information on the whole scenario of the team, and so that we can have a more holistic planning.
For the initial stage, what are the departments which need more attention?
I give, of course, definitely equal attention to all, because I'm a coaching director for all. But definitely, we are looking into helping the prime target players. Of course, we are looking into men's singles, men's doubles, and mixed doubles department. Of course, this is on paper, but we will definitely not sideline any other department in our preparation towards the 2020. Everybody has an equal chance.
Do you feel any department which requires more attention, the weakest maybe?
Weakest, I would not say. At first, I would say we were thought ladies double is the weakest, but then we have a champion coming in just 1 week ago. So we will always keep an open heart to every department, and as long as they show progress, be it in terms of results, and more importantly, I would like to see the daily training. They show the commitment, and they identify problems, and we will propose a solution to every identifiable problems in terms of training, be it in strategic wise or technical wise. I think we will focus on all these elements, and we will improve step by step.
Mr. Choong, next year start the qualification.
Yeah.
So most of the players from other countries, they will target, lower tournaments to get more points, because it's easier for them to get the points compared to higher. So are we in the same situation, or how?
No, I think that is a bit not as holistic as I would see, because I think going to a lower grade tournament to fight, everybody have the same mindset, and then you will come to the same ending as well. I think the focus is to improve our own ability, and then you are ready to fight anyone, and then perhaps you are the one that's going to upset the better player instead of finding an easy path to earn points. Because eventually, to be the best player, you have to fight every tough players that is in front of you. And I believe the mindset should be correct, that you improve ourselves, at the same time we look for points, and then from there you are there to challenge people, to challenge the other opponents, to challenge all the players, and also you are feared by all the opponents. Instead of you go in, by the draw you know already you're out, by the draw you know already you're gonna get points. That is, I don't think that's the way we should be thinking.
Some people say, like the players are too tired, exhausted because they are too packed with tournaments. So are you going to change that? Just focus on certain tournaments that show quality performance for them, instead of just go, play.
As I said, there are many options. There are many options, and it depends on situations. I will not say we will use option A forever or option B forever. It depends. It depends on situation, and it depends on individual. And that's why in coaching, there's no one way that is always correct. There are many ways. Just as long as you mix it right, then that's why there's a formula. And as long as the formula is correct, I believe we will eventually see this the whole progress is working towards what we wanted.
Choong still want to fight for his 5th appearance at Olympic.
Yeah.
So do you think he got enough time because he planned to back in tournament next month? No, back in training next month and
next year start next year. Of course, we are always supportive of whatever Choong's own decision, because he has shown that he knows himself better than anybody else, and he has the determination and discipline to continue to play. That is as long as he himself put it. Depends on the advice. Firstly, the advice of the doctor and his own assessment on himself. From there, we will give whatever support that we can to support him. That is for sure. So, talking about time, I don't think time is an issue for him, because we know his ability is the vital weapon for him to qualify, to earn points, to win. It's not about time. Yeah, we've seen him coming back from challenges, and he showed everybody and he defied everybody's prediction, and then he come back strong. So I don't think why we cannot see that again.
So you said that the other coaches, you've known all the other coaches. So do you feel a bit weird that now the student has become the master everywhere?
No, not really. I think, let me put it this way. We are here all with the same objective, you see. When we have a common objective, I think we could have differences, we could have different ideas, but that is to trigger a better solution. You know, that is all brainstorming sessions. That as long as we keep an open heart and share the common goal, I believe we can work things out and give the best benefits to the players. At the end, it's about the players, that they should feel comfortable and they should feel that they are gaining something every day from their training. From there, I believe we can ultimately channel all the players' focus into bettering themselves every day, and I believe the result will come eventually.
Okay.